There it goes.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh,
there we go.
Oh, it's
Okay.
crazy. Slow down. Slow down.
I'm just a little
Slow
nervous.
down, slow down, slow down.
I'm just a little nervous too.
Okay. Slow down, slow down.
What it do, y'all? We are back with another banger. So today what I'm gonna be doing is I hired a driving instructor off of lessons.com and I told him that I don't know how to drive. He asked me, I'll actually pull up the chat as a matter of fact. So his name is Ilya. And he asked me if I have a car, if I have my license, so on and so forth. And he offered to use his car, because that's usually what he does, I guess. And I was like, oh no, it's okay. I just bought my own car. That's why I need to learn how to drive so I can, you know, get my license and drive my new car. And he's gonna pull up and it's gonna be an Aventador. But essentially, he's gonna pull up to the crib for our driving lessons. I'm gonna pretend for the first little bit as if I don't know how to drive the car. And then like as time goes on a little bit, like I'm gonna go from not knowing how to drive to just like rip it on the highway. So we're gonna get a good reaction out of him. I don't think I've ever done a style of video like this where it's like a prank in a sense. But he's about to be here in like 40 minutes. So we gotta head home, get prepped in order for Ilya to arrive and us to take our driving lessons in the Aventador.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. 2 minutes until Ilya gets here. We got everything in position. I was just texting with him. I said, what's your ETA? He said 650. It's 6:49 right now. I said, okay, I'm excited. He goes, it is. Do not panic and do not forget driver's license. I told him that I have a driver's license, but I've never driven before because I thought that like if I said I only had my permit, like one, it might be a little sus. How did I buy the car if I only have my permit? And two, like maybe he only does it with drivers. So I told him I have my driver's license, but I've never driven a car before. I told him like I'm complete noob and I need help like getting comfortable now that I bought this new car. So I'm excited, bro. I'm a little nervous, but this shit's gonna be funny, bro. Hello, sir. Nice to meet you.
Me too. How are you? Wonderful.
I'm good. How are you? I'm excited to learn how to drive.
Me too. I never sit in this car.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I've never driven it, so I've only turned it on at the dealership and I was like, I'll take it, I'll figure out how to drive after I buy it, so.
Let's try.
Yeah.
So where I can park my car?
You could just pull your car up right in that driveway slot like this one here. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia? I would've guessed.
Give me 2 minutes, I will smoke and go.
Yeah, go for it. Free driving lessons cigarette.
It'll be better if you put Skechers.
Skechers?
Sneakers.
Sneakers? What if I go barefoot? Is that okay?
Huh?
If I take these off and go barefoot?
Yes.
That's okay?
Yes.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay. How long you been teaching people how to drive for?
I think 10 years.
20 years?
10.
10. Nice.
About 7 years in Russia and almost 3 years here in Miami.
Oh, nice. What type of cars do they usually drive?
Usually we have lessons on my car.
On your car?
Yeah.
Never anything like that?
No.
It's always been my dream to own that car, but I don't know how to drive. So I went to the dealership.
And how can you get your driver license?
Well, I have my driver's license. I got it when I was 16 during COVID. They did the thing where you could sign online. You didn't have to pass a test. So my mom just got me my driver's license. I'll show you.
It's really, maybe it's only permit?
No, it's a driver's license.
Driver license? Ah, I saw it.
See, I'm from Wisconsin.
I saw the videos that when it was COVID, everyone passed exams by video call.
I did it by I just went on there and my mom signed off for me and I got my license.
Your mom sit near, take a video for the government.
Yeah.
They,
So I just lied and said that I knew how to drive and they gave me my license. So I've never driven because I'm scared to, but it's always been my dream to own that car. I always just got Ubers everywhere.
I will tell you a lot of things.
Okay.
Don't think why. Only do that I told.
Okay. Don't think why, do what I'm told. Yes, sir.
How it's open?
You lift it up, yeah.
I think it's not comfortable.
I set my camera up to record it to send to my mom.
Sure.
Because my mom has always been on my ass about getting my license. Says, you need to get your license. And I was like, oh yeah, she's probably right. So I bought this car and then she got mad at me because I bought this car. She was like, that's crazy for your first car.
Yeah, it's crazy. So we have 2 pedals.
2 pedals, yep. Well, that I know.
Yes.
2 pedals.
Yes. Brake. I don't know, maybe Lambo has a special.
Maybe it had to power up. It's like a spaceship.
Press brake more.
I'm pushing it down hard.
Maybe it
Oh, there it goes.
yeah.
There it goes. There we go.
Oh, it's
Okay.
crazy.
So it's just a little tricky to start.
When you put it in natural, press brake and press P. When you press, no, only with P.
Can we just drive? I'm a better learner when I just do it. I learned the hard way.
Okay.
I'll go slow. I'll go slow.
Okay.
I'll be very careful.
Left signal. Here you
Left,
can.
left signal. This one. Yep.
Yes, you can see. Use both hands.
Both hands. Both hands on the wheel.
Both hands.
Yep.
Both
Yep.
hands.
Yep. Oh,
Don't
look
forget
at me.
about step.
I'm good at this.
Put your hands like this every time.
Yep.
Stop sign.
Stop sign.
Stop. Completely stop. Completely
both
stop.
ways.
And go.
Then we go. Were you texting and driving on the way here? I want to learn how to do that.
Huh? First of all, learn how to drive without texting.
What if we drank beer and drove?
No, we can't.
Why?
Oh, hell no.
It's illegal.
Oh. What about smoke cigarettes and drive?
Yes.
We could do that?
Yes, only regular cigarette. I think you are pranking me.
Pranking you?
Yeah, no?
What? What?
With driving with a camera, no?
No, my mom just wanted me to send it to her.
Okay.
Because I do a lot of camera stuff for work. So I really like cameras.
What are you doing?
For work?
Yeah.
I do like marketing stuff online. I run like a marketing agency where for businesses I run advertisements for them. You should let me run advertisements for your business to do driving school for people.
Yeah, thank you. I have a lot of ads in my Instagram.
He just went on a red light.
Yes, we can go and stop near the stop line. Stop here. Completely stop. Stop. And now you can drive very slowly. Just little. You must yield everyone. Turn little right.
Okay.
Turn right. Little right.
Oh, so it's like you can turn right
Yes.
on
It's
red
for-
if there's no cars coming.
Yes.
So can I go straight on red if there's no cars coming?
No.
Only right.
right.
Only right. I can't
Go.
see the.
Yes. Go.
I'm good, I'm
Go.
good.
Yes. Go. When you turn right, every time you must turn to the right lane.
Oh, I didn't do that. Dealership told me that this car shoots flames.
Maybe.
They showed me a video. It shoots flames out of the back. Can we make that happen?
I think it will be happen when you press gas very fast.
Can we do it?
Not in the street.
In a little bit. In a little bit?
Not in the street, and when it will be very
On a more open street.
anyone on the street.
Can we go to a more open street?
Yes, we can.
I'm getting more comfortable now. I feel more confident.
Yeah, sure. And here, let's go. If you read the book, no gas, and you have to change the lane to right. Turn signal right.
Oh.
Right signal up.
There's a car there.
Signal.
Signal.
And change to right.
Well, I can't when I'm going through there, right?
No. It's the broken bus. You can see it.
Oh.
Stay in this lane. And after the bus, we will change the lane to right.
Okay.
Because every time when you want to change the lane or when you want to turn, you must be on the right lane.
Oh, he's trying to go in front of me?
Gas, press gas.
I'll let him
gas.
go. Yeah.
When you want to let him go, you have to blink with your light.
Why is there so many cops here?
Because it's
Busy area?
it's not busy, it's Jewish area. Left signal, slow down.
Turn left here?
Left signal, slow down. Slow down, you have to yield everyone. Stay near stop line.
Okay.
Stay here and
nice.
relax.
Should we go back before it gets dark?
Yes,
I don't know
we'll
if I
go
want
to
to drive in
dark.
the dark yet.
Huh?
I don't know if I want to drive in the dark yet.
Yes, you can.
I'm kind of scared.
Me too.
In the dark?
If you don't have problems with your eyes, it's the same.
Yeah, I'm just a little
Slow
nervous.
down.
I'm just a little nervous too.
Go straight. Slow down.
Can we do donuts?
No.
Why?
Because cops will arrest us.
Cops will come.
Park on left
We
side.
could be bunk buddies in jail.
I don't want to jail because I'm a migrant. Stop here.
Oh.
5 minutes rest for smoke
5 minutes rest for smoke.
and relax. How can we open it? Where is the button?
This. It's this.
With light?
I remember from the dealership. Like that.
Uh-huh.
Should I turn it off?
Yes.
Here I am with my instructor, Ilya. He's teaching me to drive.
Hello.
Yeah. I got my new car and we did a bunch of drives. We even went fast. But I'm doing good so far, right?
Yes.
Great success.
Yeah.
We're driving very safe, very safe. Don't
Very
afraid.
safe. Very safe. Don't worry, Mom. Safe and sound. She freaked out when she saw I bought this car. She was like, that's not safe. But
It's not safe if you will drive without brain.
yeah.
If you will drive with brain and with knowledge, it will be safe.
And he's been teaching me how to drive with my brain.
But
so.
it's not very comfortable to sit inside.
Yeah. Our backs hurt, but yeah.
It's beautiful and fun, and you can pick up a lot of girls, but it's not comfortable.
He's sending a video to his Russian friends. All right. Back to home.
Yes. Use both hands here. Stop, 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 stop. Here we have stop line.
Stop, stop, stop.
Signal. Yes.
Which
Right.
way, left?
Right.
And then I creep out a little bit, right?
Slow down. Yes. 55 here. Yeah.
Oh, I'm going 75. It's all right. It's only illegal if we get caught.
Yeah.
Did you see that car following us the whole time?
No.
It was a joke.
I understand.
Yeah,
I
you knew,
understand.
huh? You
I
knew. He
understand.
was suspicious from the get-go, bro. Nah, I like totally know how to drive a car.
Because it can be the truth.
So it was like a prank for YouTube.
Yes.
I do YouTube.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm ready for pranks. It's okay.
He suspected it when we were going around the neighborhood. He was like, "Are you pranking me?" And I was
I
like,
understand because you have a good camera inside the car. Because you are not like a new driver.
"Yeah."
Your
But I
face
did a
and
pretty
you're
good-
doing it's. You try to show me that you are a new driver, but I see that you are not.
You can tell? I thought I did a pretty good job
I
at.
teach people 10 years.
Yeah.
I know everything, all habits of new drivers and of not new drivers.
True.
If I will not be the good instructor, I think I can believe in this case.
Yeah.
But I can't.
Did you notice that car following the whole time?
No, I didn't see it.
No?
Because we can't see anything inside
Yeah,
this
yeah.
window.
Well, I gotta get you paid.
Yeah. And send me please the link for your YouTube channel.
YouTube? Yeah. I'll send you the video when it's.
Uh-huh.
Bro, the camera died.
No way.
Yeah, like halfway on the way back, it died. Otherwise, I was really gonna start ripping it.
I think I understand that it's prank when I see the camera, when I start to explain you how it works, everything, and I explain that you are not looking everywhere. You touch everything that you know where is every button.
You want to see the other cars too?
No,
I got more cars.
no,
No? You don't
No.
want to see them?
yeah.
No?
What cars?
I'll show you.
Yeah, let's
They're right
go.
here. Yeah. I want to do a video where I am an Uber driver in this one,
Yeah.
in the Rolls Royce.
In Russia we have a guy. He doing the video working in Russian Uber on Mercedes Maybach.
Yeah.
His name is working in Maybach.
Oh, nice.
But
I want to do one
not
like that where I do it in this car
Yeah,
because
it's
people
wonderful.
freak out. Be like, what the hell? I wanted to do donuts. If I took this car, I might have done donuts with you.
Uh-huh.
But I didn't want to go too crazy either because I didn't want to like scare you.
Yeah.
Or, like, push it too
Yeah,
far,
it was a little scary maybe in 5 minutes when we went to the highway.
Well, cool. Well, I appreciate
Yeah.
you being a good
Thank
sport.
you.
with the
Bye-bye.
prank. Thank you.
Bye. Did you send me the link?
Yeah, I sent it to you on lessons.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I guess prank's semi-successful. I wanted to like on the way back, I was really gonna like rip it and like give it away that obviously this is a prank, but the camera died inside the car, so I was like, okay, if I rip it and can't get his reaction, I was like, I'll just wait till I get home to tell him it's a prank. But it seems like he knew pretty much the whole time. You guys probably saw like when we started going around just here, he was like, are you pranking me? I was like, no, like I just record, like, you know, and yeah. But W video, If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, because I got some ideas in the vault. So we'll see if y'all liked this video or not, but make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. And if you guys are interested in applying for the AI Advertiser program, where I teach you how to start your own advertising agency using AI, click the top link in the description. Follow my other socials. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all each for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.